It's CBM in the beginning. Then she will stop this part, hip and feet. She will close just the upper part, will catch the line in the shoulder, and then we can land together. Many times, we are, in a way of try to do the step without take care of the simple mechanical action that we need to do. And sometimes we try to catch a promenade. But without this isolation and separation and opposite work between us, we are always in a trouble with the posture and with the poise. Because the arms will try to recover what the body don't do correct. Then, this is the first object. Is it clear what I say? Natural rotation, from close position, like a man. Man will stop completely the down part and will add just pressure and rotation from the up. Then, landing, or also in tango, no? I make a pivot, I need to make a running promenade. I will block my feet, I will control the rotation, I will let her go, and then I go. Because if I continue to rotate also the feet, I will do like a spin. And this is not a spin, I need to change my body contact. From left rotation, I do like a girl, this is standing spin. Then here, I'm in opposite way with my hip and with my feet. I will switch hip and feet, like create an isolation. Then I catch the new body contact. Then I can land. Also in tango, if I do pivot. Then like a girl, switch hip and feet, and then go. This is the schema. In every single figure, in each dance. Just for discover the correct proportion between the body, you can try to analyze which is the rotation, from which position, and which position you need to catch. This is the first idea. Now I want to invite you to test, of course, this. And we need to separate a little bit because we are more or less, 70 couples, plus or minus.